Alright guys, this is an oil change reset on a 2014 Lexus ES350. We're going to cycle the key on. 1, 2, second position. We're going to wait till everything goes to the system check, through the system check. Right now I have the hood open, about to do some services. But you're going to cycle through the odometer trip button to that trip A. You're going to turn the car off, one click on the start stop button. Press and hold the trip reset button, and then 2 clicks on the start stop button again, and you're going to be resetting the maintenance instead. And there you go. Don't forget, if you have a display option, you're going to cycle through the menu. You're going to hit menu button, you're going to go into setup, go into vehicle, maintenance, and now you have all the reminders. This is a separate system than what's on the instrument cluster. So you're going to go down all the way down here. If you're going to be servicing all these maintenance items, you can go ahead and delete them all, which will completely reset them. Yes. And there you go.